Hi, I'm Pam Demore, the Decorating Diva, and I have something really fun to show you. This is the Amazing Zipper Genie. You're like, ooh, what's a Zipper Genie? Well, if you're like me, and your hands are getting a little stiff, or you have trouble getting the slide on your zipper just because you're not an experienced sewer, this is the greatest tool. So I'm just going to clamp this on my table, tighten up the C-clamp here. And then this can be adjusted. I've already got it adjusted where I want it. We're going to take our zipper slide, and it's got a rounded side with 2 holes, and it's got a flat side with 1 hole. We're going to take the rounded side with 2 holes, and we're going to slide it on. Now, if your zipper slide doesn't slide on, you might need to take a flat screwdriver and just loosen this just a little bit to get it to go on, just to adjust it. So we want that on so it's nice and secure. Then we're going to take our zipper tape, and we're going to put 2 sides in, and you want to put them in at an angle. So we put them in just like this, feed them in at an angle with the teeth side down, and then we just slide just like that. How easy is that? Isn't that amazing? Woohoo! And then when I do my projects, a lot of times I will put the slide on a second time because I like to leave it in the middle. So let me just do that again. Again, open it up part way and angle it. So it's that easy. Now if you get a little wonky thing like that, don't worry about it because it will self-adjust, so that's not anything to be worried about. Let me just show you on an actual project. This is a little pillow, and I've got my zipper sewn in. So I'm going to put this on my genie, and I'm going to put this side in and this side in, and then push them together all the way out the end, and again a second time, because now if I just do it once, the other end's still open, right? So if I put it on again, whoops, get it back on here. It's okay if you have to fuss with it a little bit. There we go. And now, because both ends are closed, I can put right sides together, sew the other 3 sides, and my project is finished. I hope you enjoy this Zipper Genie because it will make your life so much easier when you put in any zippers of any of your sewing projects. Thank you and happy sewing.